Hi everyone, welcome to my lecture, that is data communication and networking. The topic is control access protocol. Control access protocol. And then I'll discuss reservation. Reservation. What is control access protocol? Stations consult one another, or you can say devices consult one another, that is station will decide with themselves which station would send data first, which station will send data first. Okay, so they will consult with each other. Without consulting, stations cannot be sent data. So this is actually known as control access protocol. Stations consult one another to find which station has right to send data. That means which one will be send data first, then they will send data. Otherwise, they cannot stations cannot send data without consulting each other. Okay. Next point is a station cannot send unless it has been authorized by other stations. Other stations. Without consulting other stations cannot send data. Next point I am coming, that is there are three types of control access protocol. There are three categories: reservation, polling, token passing. Reservation, polling and token passing. Now reservation. Now I am explaining reservation. What is reservation? Reservation. What is reservation? A station need to make a reservation before sending data. That is, before sending data, a station has to make a reservation. A station need to make a reservation before sending data. A station need to make a reservation before sending data. This reservation I am explaining in this video. Polling and token passing I will discuss later in another separate video. A station need to make a reservation before sending data. Like when you want to able to when you want to ride a train, that is ride a train, then you have to make a reservation for traveling a train. For traveling a train you have to make a reservation, then you can travel. Okay, so that is known as reservation. Like that, if there are n station, next point, this point is very important. If there are n stations, if there are n stations in the system, if there are n stations in the system, there are exactly n reservation mini slot, n reservation mini slot, n reservation mini slots in the reservation frame. This is very important topic. If there are n stations in the system, so there are exactly n reservation mini slots in the reservation frame. If there are suppose 5 stations, then 5 reservation mini slots in the reservation frame. So how looks like a reservation frame, I am showing here. That is, this is a reservation frame I am just drawing. This is a reservation frame, that is, suppose this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are known as stations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are known as known as stations. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are stations, and these are the mini slots. These are known as mini slot. This is the mini slots for station 5. This is the mini slot. This is the mini slot. These are the mini slot for station 5. This is the mini slot for station. This is the mini slot for station 2. This is the mini slot for station 4. Similarly, this is the mini slot for station 3. This is the mini slot for station 2, and this is the mini slot for station 1. This is the mini slot for station 1. This is the mini slot for station 2. This is the mini slot for station 3. So this is known as whole thing. This is known as reservation frame. Reservation frame. This is known as reservation frame. So this is known as reservation frame. These are the mini slots. These are the mini slot. Each station has its own mini slots. This point, each station has its own mini slots. Each station has its own mini slots. That means every station has a mini slot. This station having one 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 mini slot. That is, you can say all opposite, like each mini slot belongs to a station. This opposite you can write, each mini slot belongs to each mini slot. Each mini slot belongs to a station. Next point, when a station needs to send a data frame, this is reservation frame. This is known as, the whole thing is known as reservation frame. When a station need to send data frame, it needs make a reservation in its own mini slots. Now, how reservation is working, how reservation is doing for the station, just I am showing in diagram. So we can say, from this we can say, reservation frame. What is reservation frame? Reservation frame is a combination of mini slots. Reservation frame is a combination of mini slots. That means there are 5 stations, so 5 mini slots are there. So every reservation frame is a combination of mini slots. That means number of mini slots is equal to number of stations, we can say. Now suppose I'm drawing here, I'm drawing a mini slots like this. This is a mini slot. This is a station 1, station 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, station 5. This is, I'm writing 1, then 0, then 1, 1, 0. So what do you mean by this reservation? So this is a reservation frame. This is a reservation frame. Note that 1 in reservation frame, 1 in mini slot. You see, these are the mini slots. 1 in note that this point is, be careful. 1 in this, note you carefully. 1 in the mini slots, in the mini slot. 1 in the mini slot means it has reservation. It has mini slot means it has a reservation. It has a reservation. 0 in the mini slot. 0 in the mini slot means 0 in the mini slot means 0 in the mini slot means it has no reservation. It has no reservation. Clear this point? 1 in the mini slot, that means this has a reservation, this has a reservation, this has a reservation. If 0 in the mini slot, that means there is no reservation. So we can say here this is known as data from station 1, data from station 5, data from station 5, data from station 4, data from station 4. This one means data from station 3, data from station 3. This means that data from station 1, data from station 1, data from station 1, and 0 is, there is no reservation. There is no reservation here and here, here and here and here. In these 3 positions, 1, 3, 5, that is station 1, station 3, station 4 has a reservation, but station 2 and station 5 there is no reservation because it is denoted 0. 0 means 0 mini slots. In mini slots, 0 means it has no reservation, and 1 for the station having a reservation, if 1 in the mini slot. Okay, now if I draw another this is known as reservation. This is known as reservation frame. This is known as reservation frame. This is known as reservation frame. Now I can draw another reservation frame like this. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the stations. Suppose I am writing here, suppose this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this. That means 2, 3, 4, station 2, 3, 4, 5 having no reservation because here mini slots are 0. So here 1 means data from station 1, data from station 1, data from station 1, data from station 1, and these are the no reservation, that is station 2, 3, 4 and 5 having no reservation. So now in another I am drawing, this is the another reservation frame. This is also a reservation frame. reservation frame. This is again another I am drawing 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose this is 1 1 2 3 4 5. These are the reservation frame. Okay. So suppose all are 0, I am writing here. All are 0. What do you mean by this? That means in this reservation frame, if this is reservation frame. So in this reservation frame, no station are making any reservation. So in this reservation frame, no station making any reservation. No stations are making any reservation. So in this reservation frame, only station 1 having a reservation, and in this reservation frame, only station 1, 3 and 4 are making reservation, and in this reservation frame, only station 1 are making reservation. So this is the reservation. Of control access protocol. What we have learned? We have learned in this lecture what is control access protocol, what are the types of control access protocol, and that is there are 3 types of control access protocol: reservation, polling and token passing. In this lecture I have discussed only reservation. In my next video, it will come soon, that is we will discuss polling, and then token passing I will discuss. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.